Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get followers on Twitter naturally, organically. Let's launch the app and let me walk you through the process. You know guys, Twitter has changed a lot since they renamed it to X, and Elon Musk changed a lot of the algorithms and movers around what is popping on your feed and what isn't. Now the priority gets to the people who are subscribed to the premium features of the app. But aside from that, let me explain to you what you really want to focus. So for example, if I really want to join a particular niche or particular community and I want to grow into this community, you want to go and follow the popular voices over here, right? So all these guys popped out on my feed originally without me searching for them or searching any news about it, okay? So all these guys are posting a lot of information about Bitcoin, about crypto in general. Let's say I want to grow into this community. I want to build a future, channel or social media based on the crypto news, everything related to crypto. So I want to go and click on the most recent uh, tweets, right? And you want to go and you want to read what is it about. You want to inform yourself and you want to do a little more research on your own site using whatever, ChatGPT or just Google search. And then you want to go down and you want to find comments that you can really comment on, that you really can engage with, because all these people right over here are 100% crypto, maniacs. They're focused on crypto news. They really care about. Remember, we're talking about over the weekend. We're talking about every free time that they have. They hop on Twitter and they just comment and just debate. And this is how you can actually engage with all these people and you can build the community. Because if you have a very good communication, very good debate here in the comments, in the thread, right, there is a very high likelihood of a lot of these people coming and following you back. And of course, you can follow them back as well. And this is how you build a long-term relationship, especially when we're talking about people from the industry that at some point know more than you. And if you spend enough time, you could learn a lot. But this is the only organic way that you can actually do so. Simply because if you don't have a subscription for the premium, your content is not pushed from Twitter's algorithm, okay? So if you want to have your content going viral, your threads going viral, essentially, most likely you have to be subscribed to the premium. But if you don't want to do that, right, the organic way to do so is simply being part of the communities that you really want to grow. I just give you an example with the crypto community, but there are plenty of communities out there, people who are involved in entertainment, people who are involved in, let's say, fashion or sports, right? Very strong community, the sport community. So you can join and you can just contribute with the value, just give point of views and ask the right questions, and people will simply help you out, which essentially could transform into a large following. And one day you can become a very, very influential person if you really provide value and people appreciate your point of view. But this is how you can gain a free, very strong following base with the real followers. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.